Hey guys, what's up? So Toby's trying to use your iPhone as a mic on Xbox One to talk and chat with people. So what you guys want to do is actually go to link down description or just go to the App Store or Play Store. You guys do this on Androids, iPhones, whatever. I'm just on iPhone, but same process, same procedure. All you want to do is actually download the Xbox app. It should be in the Play Store or App Store. So once you guys download it, you guys want to open it up. And once you guys open up the app, you do want to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you have to make one up. But if you guys do have an Xbox One and you want, like, let's say your mic's broken, it's probably why you're watching this video or something, and you want to talk on your phone, and also it's pretty cool to talk on your phone. I don't really think not much people know about it. Then this is a good method for you guys, and you probably do have a Microsoft account to sign in with. So once you guys sign your Microsoft account, you guys want to go on the top left, and then you guys want to go. So you guys want to go on the top, which the people are. So you want to tap on that. Like there's 3 people, and you guys can do start a party. So it's connected to like your Xbox One kind of. Now we're in a party, and you guys can actually talk like through your phone. So it's pretty cool. Let's go to party controls. Yeah, change all your device, iPhone microphone. So you're literally. Guys, the audio did cut out, but basically now I'm actually talking inside the party, as you guys can see. And now I can actually invite people to the party also. So guys, this is extremely cool, and what I also like about it is that you guys can actually tap on a button and allows you to actually like control your Xbox from your phone. So you have the X, Y, and B button. So I think that's a really cool feature that the Xbox app has, or the Xbox One app has. And you guys can mess around with it and basically tap on B, X, or A, or Y, and actually like go like you're on the Xbox, so you have a controller. So also if you guys don't have your controller, this is also a great alternative for that also. But thank you guys so much for watching. I catch you guys in the next one. Hope this tutorial helped. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.